Mimi? I'm sorry I worried you. I'll be okay now. Look over there.
Shall we deal with this?
Buttercup got to face me! Force of nature! Here's the big power ring! Butterfly blade! Stormy skies!
Go!
More of them?
I've got three!
Force from nature!
I see you!
Here, fire!
Use this!
Thanks for the support! Stormy skies! Butterfly blade!
Dark banner!
Round fleet!
Why coming together?
Here's big powerful!
Myopic
Stormy
stream!
skies! This is half of it!
Feeling good! I see you! We're unstoppable with you around, Senna.
I'm the girl with the gall. Huh? This is new. Oh, that's a rare one.
Shall we deal with this?
Butterfly blade!
Myopic scream! Myopic scream!
That's a big help!
Go! Power ring!
Liberation! Way bigger! I've got support covered! Thanks for the support! Here!
I see you!
Stormy skies! Down! Stormy ball!
Good heal!
He's the victim!
Why?
Nature!
Myopic scream!
Hit him over and over!
Good going, Uni!
Gemini! Power ring! Butterfly blade!
Right slash!
Refreshing break! Myopic scream! Wide slash! I can still do this! Are you okay? Gotcha!
Go! White flash! Switch!
Liberation! Keep trying, loser!
Good going, Uni!
Fire! Fire!
Go!
This is bad!
We can do this!
Wanna die!
Uni! This can't be happening!
Downdraft!
Go!
I can fight through the pain. Quit being an idiot and stay back!
I see you! Did everything wrong?
I'll get you ship-shape in no time! I'm
The
not sure
heat
if
is
I
on
will.
ready
Yeah.
before we crush!
Hang on my belt.
Some waves.
Uncharted territory always puts me on edge.
What's that sound?
Veronic's!
I told you life is short, but I didn't mean it like this. Noah, Mia,
That voice? Ethel? Ethel! But then who's the other one?
That one? It's from Agnes, right?
I recognize the Crescent Moon crest. Kamaravi's piloting that thing.
Kamaravi. That's him. Ethel's sworn rival.
But why? How did they get them to work together?
Flitting like moths to a flame. En's predictions are nothing to be sniffed at. Gotta hand it to him.
Anyone else want to show up?
I'm afraid this is about as far as you go. Terribly sorry, chums.
I know who he is. He's the consul from Colony Zeta. I remember him from a joint operation. Then I guess this one's meant to be from our side then, is she? Never seen her before.
Probably. So the consuls are colluding as well. Something's really starting to smell.
I concur.
I thought that my message to you was crystal clear.
Yes, we heard you.
That's why we're here.
I thought so. I had a hunch that this would be the path the Ouroboros chose to follow.
I don't suppose you'll step aside for us?
Wishful thinking. Give it up.
Well then, we'll do whatever it takes. For the greater good!
Well spoken. Then I say the same to you.
Offseers from Kevis and Agnes. Fate binds us. I bear none of you ill will, but my way demands we fight. Come then, and test your mettle against my land.
You've got to be joking.
Mother, I'm not testing anything against that. What happened to fighting fair?
We won't get anywhere complaining. Ready yourself, Uni.
Ready, he says. From the moment I chose this muddy path, I've been more than ready.
Ha! Oh, I know.
Then what you say it for, arsehole?
Zip it, guys, get ready! They're here!
Can't afford any mistake. Of all the ways you could approach this fight, you choose the blinding charge of good grief. Let me give you a taste of where that came from.
I'll end it here.
More where that came from.
Still trapped. They broke away. Missed. Gotta face me. Thanks.
Are you ready, Judy?
No one gets in my
You
way.
won't get away.
It's still okay. Are you okay?
Come from the way. It's all right now, Mia.
Here we go, Leia. My turn to shine.
How you like this?
You're pushing yourself too far.
We don't push any longer!
How about it, gotta face me?
Thanks.
No escape. Yeah, this is bad. I'll patch you up. Stay with me.
You won't get away.
No escape. Yeah, this is bad. I'll patch you up. Stay with me. I'll get you ship-shape in no time. Sorry. You got everyone.
That all you have to me?
Noah! I'm sorry, everyone.
I'll get you up in a sec. More where that came from. Time to win up a big gun.
How you like this?
Lance, did I push you too hard?
This boat will strike true.
Only!
I can follow the herd. You're done.
You won't get away.
Oh, you want to call me Silverhead?
No way brings the enemies down. Isn't what I least expect. Wait, everyone get ready.
Only!
I can follow the herd.
All right. I'll pick one. I need you, Leon. We can do this now. Everyone get away.
Gotta face me!
Perfect time.
Crap! They broke away! Gotta face me!
Perfect time. Eat this!
You can still do this! You're pushing yourself too hard! How you like this? Yeah. Come on! I'll be right there! I'm going to start getting scared. I'm having way too much fun.
You ready to get destroyed? Show no mercy! More than that thing! Give it up!
Let me bring you
Find any way to get inside!
The joints. Their sheer power really is something to behold. Noah. Neo.
No good, eh?
Good coordination. I'd be done for if it weren't for this Varanus.
Thanks for the compliment.
Noah. What do you think? I think this is the decider. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, we've got this!
Come on, what are they playing at? Am I crazy? We gave them Varanuses and everything. They had better not be holding back.
You think they might be underestimating us? Us, of all people!
Listen, Ethel's a lost cause. But Kamaravi, we could use him.
Kamaravi? Oh, I get what you're saying. You know, I forgot we even had that option. Now, see the enemy before you. Use every last ounce of strength and grind them to dust.
What's wrong, Kamaravi?
Look, you can see an enemy right there.
Enemy. That is my enemy. 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 Enemy!
Kamaravi, what's wrong with you? Kamaravi! Oh no. The Iris. I knew it. Kamaravi!
I am under no one's yoke!
Kamaravi, you really... your own eye.
I will be as they are. I am free!
Free. You're right. We're free. Free! The two of us!
What is she saying? Ethel, what's...
Attend, Ethel.
Yes! Our dream will not perish!
What the snuff's going on? Are the consoles doing this?
No! This is... it's what they want! Absolutely right, Mia! Ethel! Ever since I met you all, I have admired you!
Admired us?
Your freedom! I bless the fortune I have had in meeting all of you! You have my gratitude!
Gratitude?
This feeling of elation. Liberating. Is it not?
I feel it too, Kamaravi!
What are they fighting each other for? Oh?
I can't believe this! He won't listen to any of my commands! Ethel! Why in flames do you have to fight each other? We're supposed to be your enemies!
I told you, Noah. Observe. This here is the purpose of my life. Just know, you were the ones who finally opened my eyes.
Stop this! Stop it this instant, Ethel! Kamaravi! In that case...
They're flame clocks!
This is weird. Look at the way the light is moving. Is that their life force we're seeing?
Have you gone completely insane? You were supposed to kill Ouroboros! So stop this senseless fighting and obliterate those brats! If you don't, I'll take your precious little life and drain it dry.
Did you hear that?
I knew it. So they really can drain their life. Ethel! Kamaravi! Noah! We have to kill the consuls! You're right!
It's okay, Noah. It's over for us now.
That's rubbish! Ethel!
This is wrong! All of this is wrong! There's no reason for you to be fighting each other!
You might not understand now. But someday you will. This is what both of us want.
How can any of this be what you want? You're both gonna die!
What we leave you is more important. All our aspirations, you must keep them in your hearts.
You must take them. Make it all mean something. You have to live. You must live on. Here I come! Kamaravi!
Let us cross blades. One last time!
Well, didn't they come in handy? What was En thinking, picking those reckless hotheads?
Good grief. Looks like we're just gonna have to wipe out this lot ourselves.
You scumbags!
Fine then. I did expect something like this. Time for plan B. Interlinking. You've been blessed with quite the talent. You feel special? What now? I do hate to burst your bubble, but I'm afraid it's not just an Ouroboros thing. Oh.
I'm ready when you are.
Then, shall we?
Mobius.
Now!
Feast your eyes!
unsee.
Do try to curb your disgust, you dirty pleb.
We'll have you know that this is the true form of interlinkage.
Yes! The form in which two worlds become one. A far more refined form than this half-assed one you've stumbled upon. Look upon us and tremble before perfection. You'll writhe in agony before we...
Mia?
Stop!
Stop?
Stop toying with everyone's lives! What did they ever do to you? Why? All they wanted was their wish to be realized. You turned everything into a game, cast them away like dolls. These are our lives here. They're not some toys you can just play with. Mimi's right. I've got no idea who you truly are, though I hate to admit it. However, I do know one thing. You guys really make my sparks fly. You there, in the back, feeling lonely because you haven't been punched yet?
You better enjoy that while it lasts, because I'm about to rearrange both your mugs.
Usually, I'm not one for outward displays of emotion. But not today!
Noah, you better not stop us!
Oh, believe me, I won't. You make me laugh. Us, half-assed. Our conviction has never been stronger. And now, we will show no mercy. By Ethel and Kamaravi's lives, I swear! I'll make you pay!
You Ouroboros brats! Come on, then! This time, you shall tremble before our perfection! I'll make puppets of you! You define but... Here, stop!
Come on now!
You won't get away!
Eat this!
More where that came from!
Still do this!
I'll have you up and at 'em in no time!
You like that? I'll bring you down! I know question!
You won't get away!
Still do this!
Now, stay back for now! Eat this! Are you ready, Uni?
You irritating bitches!
Hang in there! Just you try! We'll take you both on and send you home in pieces! Are you pissed?
I'll have you up and at 'em in no time! You won't get away!
No escape!
Nothing going!
Now stop! Snowgate! Thought I was unstoppable! Senna,
Don't push any longer! Oh, is that
I'll be right there! I knew this would happen now!
Did I showboat too much again? You won't get away by the time we finish this!
Anytime you want!
We are more than capable! Observe my strategy. I'll make this work! I'll lead!
I can follow that up! You're done!
Again! You won't get away!
What are these two playing at? More where that came from! Eat this!
I'll get you up in a sec.
Sorry, Neo. I'm sorry. Unstoppable. I'll get you ship-shape in no time.
I gotta push through this.
Leave it to uni. Too right to pick mine. I can follow that up. You're the best.
I think not.
Over yet.
I have a plan. This bow will strike true. I'll lead!
I'm with you!
You can't stop this momentum.
How's this for a plan? All right.
I'll take point!
I'll follow your lead.
Time for the big one.
This isn't the end. Give it up.
Check out what I've got, right? Coming right up.
I get first dibs.
I'll show you.
You won't get away!
Come on now.
Here I go!
You learned it?
Well done, you! Simple creature.
Are they friends or what?
What?
How did they? How could they? How are they so strong? That's enough noise! Shut up with your infernal beeping!
Don't go telling us our time is up now! We were only just getting to the best part! I'll take these half-breeds and throttle the life out of them! I can still do this! Nothing for it! Go for full interlink! Better brace yourselves! Cause you're gonna have a hard time stopping this! You're Ouroboros. No wait. You are nothing to Mobius!
Oi, oi!
He's looking for his stuff now!
No, something strange.
You'll never get away with this! What's the surface light? What's happening again? What have we done?
The Black Fog! No! The annihilation effect!
What? Are you sure?
No! We have to get away from them! We have to retreat!
We're not gonna make it!
Oh, shit!
Mio!
I'm on it.
Huh? Mia, what are you...
This is it!
It's the only way!
Is it over?
Are we all in one piece?
Yeah. I think I've got all my limbs attached.
Queen's fingers, that was close.
Quite a snap decision there, Noah.
That was Mio's doing. I'm very impressed.
It was easy. I do know how you think.
Noah, can I ask a weird question?
Sure.
In that ceremony, you didn't send them off.
No, today's been a bit much. I'm only human.
I know, right? Well then, that's a relief.
It's wrong. That shouldn't be what gives our lives purpose. Wasn't there a different way? A better one?
Those two fought for their ideal. Something more important than their lives.
Honor? Or pride?
Satisfaction, perhaps? No, that's wrong. Something we can't put into words.
Yeah, but what? Can it really be that important?
I can't say.
Do you think they found it? That something?
Be nice if they did.
You think so? It seems so sad. Sleep well?
Yeah. Well, sort of.
Well, your eyes are red.
Hey, shut up. So what if they are? But I know what I have to do. Everything's so clear now.
Same here.
We'd better hurry. After all, the threat's not gone.
Yeah, that's true.
Hmm?
You surprised me.
You did too. I didn't think you were the sort to take such a stand.
Sometimes we're left with no other choice.
Yeah, I think you're right. Absolutely right. What do we do about Ethel?
When things are settled, we'll let Colony 4 know. It's what she'd want. I'm certain of it.
Yeah, you're right. She'd be happy.
Time for a tea break?